hot chocolate daw yun.
Woke up to the sun shining through the blinds.
My time to be a passenger.
Had to leave the past behind, clear my mind.
Magandang take.
I've been through the lows, now I'm feeling high.
Ito na yung
Took some time
waiter.
to find my peace, now I
Thank you po,
fly.
kuya.
The road was rough, but I'm still on my feet. Now I see the beauty in the life I keep. So many lessons in the days gone by, but today's a new day.
So, nag-aaya akong mag-surf kay Rigel. Ito siya. Sabi niya, nung una, okay daw. Tapos ngayon, kinukwento niya na yung kung paano siya na-trauma sa last time na nag-surf kami. Dahil,
Muntik lang na mababasag yung ilong mo, di ba?
yung surfboard tumawa sa ilong niya. Tapos, injure ba? Like, na-injury.
Namagalang siya.
Yan,
Kasi hindi na siya
magang-maga yung
pantay.
ilong niya. Ayaw niya lang sabihin sa akin na ayaw niya mag-surf.
Hindi
Sabi
na
niya,
pumunta kay Bella.
sabi niya, parang di ko gusto mag-surf. Ikaw na lang, doon na lang ako, nanonood lang. Ay! For the vibe. Hindi ba?
Live niya yun. Kapit-bahay lang kami sa blessing niya ng bahay.
Sabi ni Rigel.
Ha?
Kung maalala eh. Let's go, Philmar. And Andy, I get mad. Hi! After makipagbakbakan sa waves,
Siyempre, pakibilisan po ng onti, no? Hindi mabagal-bagal.
sorry.
Uy, tayo.
Set! Bumabak, set!
Chocolate na may halong coffee. Halong coffee.
It's like Milo.
Sarap.
Sarap. Okay lang.
Pero shit, medyo makulit.
Hindi ko ganda ganyan. Like parang or wala. Pero parang wala. See? Matches with everything. Happy Valentine's! Sarap.
Color trip. Nagsasoundtrack lang kami. 1 hour till my bedtime. Tonight, we're going to be taking you all around the world of books. Okay? You want to come? You're cool. So one's me, which one's you? Either way. Would you kiss her goodnight? Do you have to let it linger?
Uwi na mga mermaid. Yan eh. Bye, pasalubong for.
Lang, discuss ko lang yung house. Medyo, ano yung jeep talaga. So, paano siya ng water? Dapat na nagpag-less na muna or napakasawon. Oo, pwede dyan. Nice one. Tama. Yan. Yun. Two hands.
Two hands. Two hands.
Nice. Yan. Time down.
We're back!
Yung ganon.
Daddy mo.
We're back for the mango shake. Kasi hindi ko makalimutan yung mango shake dito.
Shell, ha?
Mango shake.
Parang ice cream. Alam mo yung, yung
Sarap, diba?
ice candy.
Yung gold standard.
Maliit pa si Sachi.
Kaya nga pag nakikita ko siya sa story, ang laki na rin. Pero 1 na siya nun. Sobrang kamukha ni Wina. Hi! Bakit may dinosaur? May dinosaur.
Do I have 5
Napadevelop ko na yung film mo. Well said. Oh my God! Ano ko? Nugget. Nugget. It looks good. Vegan matcha review. So good. What do you eat? Verde. Legit. Feel like I'm in Japan. Charing.
natin at ako yung tatakot. I think that's the... meron naman pala. Or do you warm you? Oo, meron.
May bayad. Yung mga makikilagay sa belt bag. 5K done!
We just hit the
5K.
marathon.
Got the goods. Rent.
Wala tayo nakasama. Up kayo. Up ka.
Ako na. Excited na ako magpunta sa aircon.
Dito kasi bangga-bangga.
In-game. On the way to Sushi Ninja.
The best of Hermie. At masarap siya pag kinain mo siya ng buo. Though malaki. I'm sorry.
Hindi ko kaya. Oh my God. Solid bro. Sobrang worth it.
Can we reassess?
So close yet so far.
Team building pati.
Lasa siyang dagat. You try it.
Wow. Hello, CDO. Finally checking in.
Level 5. Doors are closing.
We're bringing water just in case.
Yes.
How old po?
Very young.
Young.
Mataang kumakain ng puso.
Sorry. I think. Yeah.
Bon appetit! Walking to the hotel. Not yet.
Hi guys. Night 2.
Excuse me, this is my vlog.
Sorry.
Vlog na to, guys. Vlog takeover.
Reír se encontró bailando. Solo me hace falta de ti una llamada.
But 6.
Welcome to the Hanging Bridge. Ah! Tama to, kuya? On the way to Mount Apo. Pulag. Mount Pulag. This is our tour guide. Round 1. Feeling like a villain.
With Ray Holiday on Wish 1075.
next agenda is to run. 5K sana, pero let's see. And then after, I'm gonna get my maple cinnamon oat latte fix from Pancake House X Yardstick. So, medyo yun yung kinikrave ko talaga. This is our route for today. Let's go. Almost 2K. And I'm so tired. Sobrang pataas. Pababa yung floor. Hindi ko siya matansya. Mukha siyang patag. Pero nagulat ako, biglang pababa na pala. Workout done. Drink your water. Can't wait to get my oat latte fix. Ingat. Wala ko na ng extra shirt.